Hey guys, just a little me, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of, this is an AM-8 track out of a Ford Mercury Cougar 1970. A 70 Cougar comes from John in East Sandwich, Massachusetts. And so we're here to make sure that everything works before we send her back. This customer has requested a modern internal conversion which adds FM. And he's requested the use of his original connectors, which is just fine, except you don't get that big increase in output power. The output power is roughly equivalent to the original electronics. So let's turn this puppy on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. And we're just going to run down the presets. I've got all the presets set to stations in my area, so okay, that one drifted a little bit.
You know, when the house is a mess,
okay, now we're going to turn it to FM. To go to between AM and FM on this type of radio, we turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on AM, and we get one strong station right about the middle of the AM band.
But for the efforts of a
okay, there's our strong AM station.
His car gets out, wait into the
okay, let's make sure we get both speakers operating. Now, check our balance control. Left,
Los Angeles Times, which is the
all the way right.
important newspaper in California,
left,
let alone Los Angeles.
Right, back to center.
Primary headquarters.
Okay, now we're going to test the 8-track function.
I am not kidding you.
Don't need these anymore. Got some Neil Sedaka.
Not an article, not a column.
Gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Alright, pull the tape out. Radio comes back, and the last thing to check is the dial light. Make sure that works. So we're just going to switch this, flash that on a few times. You can see that light peeking out from between the tuner buttons, and that takes care of it. The whole thing's ready to go, and I'm ready to get on to, I guess, probably my last video for the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old ancient AM radio, especially if it has an 8-track. The 8-track will come out sounding better than it ever did because I removed the original preamp and installed my own specially designed preamp to help bring out the brightness that was lost over the years as 8-track tapes wear. So, my website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.